Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn the next part of our module English for Banking and Industries. In the previous part first, we learned notice and agenda of that meeting. As you are going to learn in this module, notice, agenda, and minutes. Here we are going to discuss about agenda, how it is written, and what are the construction and language used in this particular writing of the agenda, which is about the notice and agenda. The first part notice, second part agenda. Here we will learn notice without agenda. Here is a notice, that is the 15th meeting of the board of directors will be held at 3 p.m. on Wednesday 13th August 2019 in the registered office of the company. See, this is in one sentence notice, and next sentence, please make it convenient to attend the meeting. Agenda is attached. So how the particular language is used in it? It is again signed a signature of secretary, and to whom it is sent, all the members, that is the board of directors. Who are the board of directors are going to attend the meeting. Here the place of the meeting, date of the meeting, and time of the meeting is mentioned in this particular notice. Use of language. What kind of language is used in this kind of notice, which is without agenda or with agenda? Note the use of impersonal passive construction, that is meeting will be held. The agenda is attached. Also note the use of language and other points in the notice, that is first part, the passive construction, meeting will be held, and the mentioning of the time, place, and date of the meeting, as well as the particular day is mentioned in this particular notice. Again, next part, subject, you are going to write down subject of the meeting, name of the committee or organization, that is board of directors, and next part, date, time, and place of notice. Formal request at the end of the notice, that is please make it convenient to attend the meeting. Agenda is attached to all the members. It is about formal request at the end of the notice, that is please make it convenient to attend the meeting. Agenda is attached. Next part, signature of the secretary, and last part, enclosure if any. This is the points you have to remember when you are going to write down any notice regarding any meeting of the company. Next part is about agenda, that is agenda is a list of items to be discussed at the meeting. It is also called business. It is usually sent with the notice of the meeting. If there is not only one subject to be discussed in the meeting, it is introduced in the notice itself. It helps the members to think about the subject before they come for the meeting. It is written in the form of points. The points in agenda are written in two ways. See, here we can understand in agenda there is only points, that is the points are going to discuss in the meeting. Two ways, that is beginning with nouns. For example, appointment of subcommittee. Appointment is a word noun. Proposal to open a new branch. Membership drive. Fund collection. Review of the month's activity. This is the points of the meeting which are going to discuss in the meeting. That's why it is written in the noun form in the agenda. And the next part, with the use of infinitive verb, that is to appoint the subcommittee, to appoint a proposal to open a new branch, to organize a membership drive, to collect funds, to review activities of the month. In agenda, after notice, if you are going to write down agenda, you can use one of this way to writing of the agenda, beginning with the nouns or the with an infinitive verb. That is, infinitive verbs mean to appoint and with nouns means appointment. See how it is written. There is a slight change in the writing of the subject in the agenda. Next part is about, here is a specimen example of the agenda is given. That is how it is written. To confirm the minutes of the, it is used the infinitive verb form. For example, to. It is to confirm the minutes of the meeting held on 25th July 2018 enclosed. To approve the revised budget for 2017-18. To consider applications for life membership list enclosed. To review the working of the society. And last point, any other matter with the permission of the chair. See how the points is written in the agenda. So you can here understand, that is use of noun or the infinitive verb in the agenda. There is only slight change in the writing of the subject or the points in the agenda. So anyway you are going to use the particular form of the writing of the agenda. In the next lecture we will learn about minutes. In the previous lecture we learn about the notice and agenda. In this particular lecture we learn about only the agenda, how you are going to use two ways of writing the agenda, and the next lecture we will going to learn about the minutes. Till then, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.